I have to say a word or two really about turn of veteran West Indies all-rounder Dwayne Bravo, who at 36 is back in the West Indies T20 squad to face Ireland. And we all know the quality of Bravo and the chronology of his actions. Dave Cameron was the president, so Bravo retired. Cameron gone, so Bravo is out of retirement. But that, for me, is selfish and unprofessional conduct by Dwayne Bravo, who was willing to turn his back on the long-suffering West Indian cricket fans because of his personal differences with Dave Cameron. West Indies cricket is bigger than Dave Cameron. And what Bravo did was to punish 5 or 6 million hurting West Indian cricket fans to spite one man. That, to me, was disregard and disrespect to the institution of West Indies cricket in pursuance of one's personal motives and agenda. On the other side of the coin now, if it was that Bravo was being victimized and being kept out of the team because of the same personal thing with Cameron, that means Mr. Cameron at the time was telling the West Indies selectors who to pick and who not to pick. Either way, it was petty and unprofessional behavior. And I think people who are prone to this kind of personal pettiness should be kept as far away as possible from West Indies cricket, whether they be administrators or players. Those are not the views of TVJ, just the views of the Maverick.